I'm going to sharpen this hatchet, and this will work for an axe too, but I'm using the triangle sharp maker. It's a tool that I've had for probably 25 years. Amazing how well it works and all the different things it'll sharpen. It'll sharpen things that I don't even think I could sharpen any other way. I will put a link in the description below where you can pick this up at. But the tool has a base, and there's two brass rods that insert into these holes at an angle. And then I'm going to use the gray, which are the medium grit stones. I'm going to put it in there so this side is flat, which is where the blade's going to be cutting. There's also the white stones, which are the fine, and I won't use that on a hatchet. I get both those in, and I want to be very careful with you doing this because it's such a large tool. I just want to use extreme caution. So what I'm going to do is keep this perpendicular to the top of the bench, raise it to the top of the stone. I have to move this up a little bit. There we go. And then slowly, and I'm holding the hatchet up close to the steel head just for more control. I don't want to hold back here. Less control. Here I have more control. So I'm going to start at the bottom, and then I'm going to work my way to the other end. But I'm just going to slowly move that down and towards me. And I'm just doing this really slow. I did 10 on that side. Now I'm going to do 10 on this side. Again, keeping this perpendicular. Start on that edge, go down and move it towards me. The triangle sharp maker will sharpen straight edge knives, serrated and scalped edge knives, fillet knives, or very sharp flexible knives, electric knives, regular shears and scissors, tin snips, thinning shears, nail clippers, pinking shears. I sharpened my mom's years ago. It worked great. Shears with radical bevel, wire cutters, side cutters, cuticle nippers, fish hooks, pointed objects, rudder bits, all types, chisels and plane blades, spade bits, paddle bits, flat bits, drill bits, wood gouges, screwdrivers, flat and Phillips, axes and hatchets, potato, carrot peelers, straight edge razors. Incredible tool. When I sharpen a lot of things, I don't know if you can see on this edge, it's all silver, which means it's full of steel. Harder to tell on these medium grit, but I'm assuming they are too. So manufacturer recommends on this model that I have, I don't know what the new ones are, is using a non-metallic cleaning pad. Let's get that a little bit wet. And then using some type of a cleanser, Ajax Comet. I just have some Bon Ami, so use that. Put a little bit on this pad. And just rub them off, clean them up. Oh, that's, yeah, it's taking that steel right off at that point. This is a 3M Scotch pad, kind of a used up one, but it seems to be working fine. That groove. Rinse this off. This is just plain water in this bucket. Sticks don't fit into this ice cream bucket, but I'll set them up on a pencil so the air can get underneath and let them dry. And I'll do the 3 other stones, let those dry. Pretty simple to clean them up. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.